Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. And I continue for you with those preventative maintenance videos about the MiniCoopers. So let's go together in this video to make sure that this cute MiniCooper has enough of engine coolant. Engine coolant reservoir is obviously located in the engine compartment under the hood, and it's this one. And the correct way to check the engine coolant is making sure that engine is not hot, it's not running, and I'm looking here on the right side and I can see minimum and maximum levels. And if you look with me, there is barely any coolant left. That means I have to add the coolant immediately. Now if you look in your owner's manual or even in the repair manual, you will find out that the MiniCooper needs a phosphate-free antifreeze, which is diluted 50-50. That's the correct way to deal with it. I had this one in my garage. I checked the ingredients and I know this one is a phosphate-free. They also say it's mixable with all makes and the models and will not void the vehicle warranty. So I will be getting this one. I can see in the car that there is a remaining are green and this one is also green. So I will simply go ahead and open this little lid. I will put there clean funnel and I'm ready to add the coolant or antifreeze until it will reach that max mark. And that should be enough. Now I can go ahead and remove my funnel, right, and close this reservoir again. And you can see with me that the level is nicely touching that maximum mark. Now somebody might tell you it was not supposed to be added here, but you were supposed to open the pressure relief valve right here and add the coolant from there. Well, I disagree with that. And the reason for that is very simple. This cooling system is basically closed system, and as you can see, here is the pressure relief valve, and it's connected by this tube or hose, right, all the way to this container. And that means when the cooling system needs more fluid, it simply sucks it or takes it out of this coolant reservoir. So my friend, I hope you find this video helpful and make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos about minis coming your way. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day.